Hi guys, today doing another video, and today we're doing a video because I am doing a fidget spinner giveaway, and shouts out to Eve for helping me make this video. Eve, it's a new head, I think, so it's a boy. And so she told me to do this, so yeah. So she's definitely going to win a fidget spinner. So I'm going to do a giveaway. So all you have to do to enter is, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and put on notifications and say in the comments, I subscribe. Okay? Okay, so let me show you the fidget spinners. I think they're up here. If they're not, just wasting my time. Technical difficulties. Where did I put them?